Two. Sare gama pada ni sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Got it? అన్ని ఇంకొంచెం డబుల్ చేస్తాం ఉంది. వెరీ గుడ్. సరే గమ pada ni sa sani da pa ma ga re sa taka dhimi taka jam taka dhimi taka jam. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Beat is constant, but the number of units you are putting in it are doubling, right? So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Purandara Vithala Baro. Two hands together. Vishnu Baro, repeat Krishna Baro. Yannishramurti Purandara Vithala Baro. Repeat. Vishnu Baro, repeat Krishna Baro. Yannishramurti Purandara Vithala Baro. Let's do the second speed. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Clap loud. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Ranga Baro, Yenna Sande Baro. Indira Ramana Mukunda Baro. Ranga Baro, Yenna Sande Baro. Indira Ramana Mukunda Baro. Ranga Baro. Loud. Anna Baro, Yenna Chinna Baro. Punyamurti Manshapura Chinna Baro. Anna Baro, Yenna Chinna Baro. Punyamurti Manshapura Chinna Baro. Ranga Baro, Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, loud. Ranga Baro, again. Ranga Baro, Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Vishnu Baro, repeat Krishna Baro. Yannishramurti Purandara Vithala Baro. Vishnu Baro, repeat Krishna Baro. Yannishramurti Purandara Vithala Baro. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. All of you got the pattern? Devanama? Yes, ma'am. Was it easy? Yes, ma'am. Very good. Repeat. Anna Baro, Yenna Chinna Baro. Punyamurti Manshapura Chinna Baro. Anna Baro, Yenna clap loud. Baro. Anna Baro, Yenna Chinna Baro. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Vishnu Baro, repeat Krishna Baro. Yannishramurti Purandara Vithala Baro. Again. Vishnu Baro, repeat Krishna Baro. Yannishramurti Purandara Vithala Baro. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Again. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Second speed. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, Narasimha Baro. Again. Ranga Baro, Pandu Ranga Baro. Ranga Baro, ತಂದೆಗಾರೋ ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣ ಮುಕುಂದಗಾರೋ ತಂದಗಾರೋ ಎನ್ನ ತಂದಗಾರೋ ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣ ಮುಕುಂದಗಾರೋ ರಂಗಗಾರೋ ಪಾಂಡು ರಂಗಗಾರೋ ರಂಗಗಾರೋ ನರಸಿಂಹಗಾರೋ ರಂಗಗಾರೋ ಪಾಂಡು ರಂಗಗಾರೋ ರಂಗಗಾರೋ ನರಸಿಂಹಗಾರೋ చిన్నవారో ఎన్న చిన్నవారో పుణ్యమూర్తి మహిషాసుర చిన్నవారో చిన్నవారో ఎన్న చిన్నవారో పుణ్యమూర్తి మహిషాసుర చిన్నవారో రంగవారో పాండు రంగవారో రంగవారో నరసింహవారి రంగవారో పాండు రంగవారో రంగవారో నరసింహవారో విష్ణువారో కృష్ణవారో ఎన్నిష్టకోటి పురందర విఠలవారో విష్ణువారో కృష్ణవారో ఎన్నిష్టకోటి పురందర విఠలవారో.
Actually, I would like to thank the team from Roots to Roots who has been giving you training online even during Corona period, the pandemic period. I remember the days when you were learning through online without any interruption. You have been trained and you have been inspired by people, artists, musicians, and dancers. Children, I know singing is the art, singing is the gift which comes from the God. Though I am very much interested in singing and learning music, I fail to do that because I feel I have not done enough practice or enough interest I didn't have in my childhood. But once you start learning, though it comes from God with these gurus, I feel you will be able to learn it and become good musicians. And this workshop should be a motivation to you, an inspiration, and at least some of you will become great musicians like Madam and the other artists from Roots to Roots, and of course the everyday force, guiding force in music field is there with us, Lakshmi Madam, and under her guidance, some of you at least will become good musicians and singers. Thank you very much, Madam, on behalf of the Vidyalaya faculty and the students.